Hi guys, I'm just in the middle of creating my vision board for 2021. This is like, today is the 20th of December 2021. So I've been working on this since yesterday. So yesterday I've been collecting pictures over the internet, and it's the same thing that I'm continuing today, but besides that, I just did a small little background and more information of some of the things that I was thinking, just to confirm, if it could work. And basically it does work, because all along I'm a paper person. I write a lot, so all these things are things that I wrote. For example, this is like the content that I have to start working on, and everything is written in here. So I feel if I write them like this, I always forget, or I misplace the books and all that. So now that's why I was like, okay, books are not working for me, and I feel like they're closing my mind. So I'm thinking of actually making a visual board that must be up by the end of this year. So by the 1st of January I must have it. So let me just show you what I'm looking at now, just to give you a brief example of what I'm working on. I think I'll make a video on vision board in case you also want to make your own vision board for 2021. So in that video is where I'll explain why you need a vision board, what type of vision boards are there, or how can you use it, and all that. So let me just quickly show you. So this is what I am working with. These are some of the houses that I've got, because I don't know, I don't think I want to live in a city, for a long time. So I'm hoping on getting a property somewhere out of town. That typical village life I kind of miss very much. In Africa we call it village life, depending, others call it countryside. So that is basically what I want, and I just want to just have a little orchard there, small garden, small scale farming, because these are things that I love doing. So these are ideas of the houses that I'm looking at. It doesn't have to be something fancy, but these are just ideas. So let me show you this one. It's not clear enough. You see, something like this, where I have my orchard, where I can make a little garden, just something like that. So those are some of my visions. So I'll show you, I guess, once I'm done. There's a whole lot more. There are things that I do visualize when I sleep, when I'm walking, when I'm everything. And these are things that I want to make a reality one day. So let's go to desktop. There we have it, vision board. So vision boards can be basically anything. It can be your grades if you are in school. It can be anything, because the whole idea is just to have visuals of things that you want. So guys, subscribe to my channel. This is one of my goals, to reach 100k. Help me reach that goal. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Guys, you also the outfit that I was supposed to wear next, but it betrayed me. It betrayed me. Way too small, because I think the last time I wore that was maybe last year or early this year. So we got betrayed. Well, let me just quickly do this. I have to go and buy materials for school uniform so that we can start making school uniforms for the new kids, like the what is this? The 0 grades. So I am running behind time. I'll see you in the car. I was at Jackson, and so this is what we got so far. These are the materials that we got. We have the sky blue. I don't know the colors, you know, so this might be sky blue to me, but to you it's something else. I have this blue. I believe this is royal blue, and this is navy blue. So 5 meters each. I'm done, so I'm going to quickly refill the water bottle, so then I go back home.